Hello, I'm Richard Hooper and this is SatTV Week. I'm here at CommunicAsia 2012 on the Work Microwave stand where I'm pleased to be joined by Jorg Rockstroh. Jorg, Work Microwave, what do they do?
Work Microwave is a company that exists for 26 years now and originated in the design of very high-end RF and digital components, and especially is for over 20 years now in the SatCom business with selling converters, frequency converters, and is displaying its whole product range for the SatCom technologies here at CommunicAsia.
Now, you're here at CommunicAsia, so Asia is obviously important, but why?
There's a lot of opportunity for satellite communication in Asia. You have wide ranges of different applications, starting with television broadcast, IP communication, mobile backhaul, and our products, both the digital side like modulators for DVB-S, DVB-S2, the IP modem, and also the analog side with the frequency converters, indoor, outdoor, and redundancy systems are used in this field and can be used in a wide range of applications that are run.
Now, you've had a recent collaboration with Zipline. Can you tell me a little bit more about that?
Yeah, sure. Especially for the data communication, satellite communication puts on a lot of tasks for the devices and for the configuration. And together with Zipline, which is a company that offers products for IP traffic optimization, we combine their devices with our IP modem for the satellite communication, and therefore optimize the IP traffic, especially for this satellite part.
Now, what are the trends you're seeing in the market?
The market goes much more to very sophisticated communication. People demand every available technology there is for the optimization of the signal, for the optimization of the traffic, and for easy setup. So the sophisticated technology still should be able to be configured very easily and be accessible to the user. And we try to combine this to make it available for the most wide range there is.
Now, Work Microwave going forward, what are your plans for the next 12 months?
From a technological side, there is a lot of interesting discussion going on also in standardization. One example is the carrier ID discussion, where it's tried to mitigate satellite interference, and which happens through carriers that go accidentally on the wrong direction, not aligned dishes, anything like that. A wideband discussion is going on for, the Ka band offers much more wider range of bandwidth, and how to use that best. So there's a lot of interesting technologies coming up, research going on, and we look forward how this will be evolved into products.
Jorg, thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Richard.